If you have a holiday tree up, you probably have some round, circle-shaped ornaments that may not be that interesting. But today, we're going to make them interesting by doing a really cool technique with oil pastels. Shall we? We shall. First, you'll need to gather some circles to trace. I'm going to write my name with a pencil and flip it over so my name is on the back. Start one circle at a time. Trace it with a pencil and make sure that you can really see it on that dark colored construction paper. Then you're going to pick one color of oil pastel. I'm going to choose red to start, a wonderful holiday color. And you are going to outline the circle and then color it in. Make sure that you're pushing down kind of hard so that you get enough of that oil pastel onto your paper, because the secret to oil pastels is blending, and to get really cool blends you need to have a lot of pastel on your paper. Next, you'll need a white oil pastel, and you're going to draw right on top of your red or your first color and put like a really heavy white circle where the highlight's going to be, and then sort of gently draw spirally circle lines around that white circle. I know you're thinking this looks terrible, but watch. Here's where the magic happens. We're going to blend it in, and that means kind of pushing and smearing the oil pastel. Here I'm using a Kleenex, and you can use a Kleenex or a paper towel, or just your finger is fine too. It kind of depends on how messy you want to get. So just push that white oil pastel into the red oil pastel and let that one spot that you started with stay kind of bright white, and the rest is going to blend in. That's our highlight. It's going to make the Christmas ornament look kind of three-dimensional. You need a little bit of black oil pastel, not as much as you did with the white, and you're just going to create a shadow on the opposite side of where the highlight is. And you don't even need to go all the way around the ornament. Just one side for the shadow, just like that. Add another little highlight, bring the white back in. It kind of depends on what you think looks best for you. Let's do it again. Okay, this is important. When you make your second ornament and you're putting the highlight in, put the highlight in the exact same position as the ornament you did before. That way it looks like they all have the same light source. And then do the same thing over. Those kind of circly lines around your highlight, blend it in with a paper towel, Kleenex, or your finger. And then don't forget to add that shadow too. Some oil pastels are thinner or thicker than others, so on this one I think I add a little bit more green because you can kind of see the blue paper underneath, so I wanted to thicken it up. And it's really great to have nice, thick oil pastels in your artwork. To turn these 3D spheres into ornaments, I'm just putting a rectangle on top of them and probably adding like a tiny little hook that might just go straight off the page, like that. As a finishing touch for the background, I'd like it to look like these ornaments are hanging on an evergreen tree. So I'm finding all the green oil pastels I can find because I really want to blend in the colors to make it look more realistic. And I'm just going to do some quick lines in the back to kind of just give the feel and look of an evergreen tree. These are the branches, and then the green will add the leaves. And there you have it. Have fun using blending techniques to turn a circle into a sphere.